More than 7,000 Ineos Grenadier models built between July 6, 2023 and April 19, 2024 are being recalled due to doors that can suddenly swing open while driving. We don't need to explain all the reasons why that's a very bad thing, so good on Ineos and NHTSA for calling the cars back to get repaired.as for the cause of the issue. According to a report from CarScoop's, Ineos says the root of the problem is a faulty door button mechanism. The automaker suspects that those mechanisms didn't get enough grease during manufacturing. The lack of grease causes the buttons to get stuck, preventing the door latches from engaging when the door is shut. So, the doors aren't becoming unlocked because they were never locked in the first place, and doors flying open while you're driving is no good. That we think the Ineos Grenadier is a box of fun on wheels, but it certainly isn't the most well put together SUV we've ever driven, so this news isn't entirely surprising. When the Grenadier was up for SUV of the year, many of our panelists found the super loose steering unsuitable for everyday driving. While the Restomod styling is delightfully nostalgic, we also couldn't ignore the fact that the vehicle looks like it was pieced together from spare parts. We found that charming, but figured it could quickly wear thin. If you've purchased a Grenadier, Ineos says you should be notified if your vehicle is affected by March 31, 2025. Take the notice to your dealer to get the door fixed for free and a Medal of Bravery for being a Grenadier owner. Okay, that last part was a joke, but seriously, take your Grenadier in if you suspect it has this issue, lest your massive door catches air during your next excursion.